If you've been looking to take the next step into the DTF world, then look no further than the easy-to-use and maintain Gallery 1390R DTF printer. The printer package comes with ink, powder, film, maintenance gear, and a full license to the Gallery RIP software. This roll-fed DTF printer uses 13-inch wide rolls of material with CMYK and WHITE ink to print beautiful transfers for all types of clothing. The printer is quick and has multiple print modes to accommodate different types of materials and substrate colors. The printer also has suction holes that are used to hold the material in place over a heating element to quickly dry the ink for powdering. You can choose to manually apply the DTF powder and melt it, or add on to the 1390R with the Gallery A3 automatic shaker oven, and the 1390R feeds directly into that and have it apply and melt the DTF powder and then roll the finished film up on a automatic take-up reel. Also included for no additional charge is a training course from USCutter that covers everything from setup, installation, printing, application, and maintenance. You also don't have to worry about your hands getting dirty thanks to the ink priming button located on the side of the printer. This will prime the ink tanks and also the waste ink tank without the need of syringes and tubes. While everyday printing is always recommended, the Gallery 1390R is a very low maintenance machine and doesn't require daily use or maintenance as long as the machine stays plugged in and powered on. It comes equipped with additional motors to stir the white ink tank and cycle the ink inside the lines. It will also perform an automatic cleaning on itself every 12 hours after the last print. The Gallery 1390R also comes with a 1-year warranty and free lifetime US-based technical support over the phone and through email. If you have any questions about this printer or any of our other products, feel free to contact us using the information shown on your screen. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this, and have yourself a wonderful day.